This video I will tell you how to fix Borrowbox app not opening. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Borrowbox app. Now tap on app info. After that, tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data and OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Tap on search option and tap on search bar here and search for Borrowbox and then tap on here and simply update the app. From here you will see update button option. This will fix the issue for you. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.